Are you tired of Webex glitches ruining your meetings? You know, that frozen screen, the dropped audio, or that mysterious echo that just won't go away. It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you have no way to get help. But here is the good news. In this video, I am going to show you how to report those issues directly to Cisco in under 60 seconds. By the end of this, you will go from being stuck with a recurring problem to confidently submitting a detailed bug report that actually gets seen. So here is the plan. I will walk you through the exact steps to submit a report from right inside your meeting. It is a lot simpler than you might think. Let us get started. All right, first things first. You need to be signed into your Webex account. This is important because the report needs to be tied to your profile so Cisco can follow up if they need to. So go ahead and log in now. Now that you are in, start or join a meeting. It doesn't matter if it is a scheduled call or an instant meeting you just started. As long as you are in that virtual room, you are good to go. Once you are in, look at the bottom of your screen for the meeting controls. And here is the really important part. Find the button that looks like 3 dots, often labeled as More Options. Click on that. A menu is going to pop up with a list of actions. From that list, you want to select Report an Issue. Don't worry, this won't kick you out of the meeting or anything like that. It just opens up a feedback form. Now this is where the magic happens. You are going to see a drop-down menu labeled Product Area. Click on it and choose the category that best matches your problem. Is it a video issue? An audio issue? Maybe it is about screen sharing? Pick the closest one. If you're not sure, just pick the most general option. We don't need to be perfect here. Next, you will see another drop-down called Issue. This is for the specific problem you are experiencing. So if your audio is cutting out, you might select Audio Cutting Out or Choppy Audio. Again, just pick the option that feels closest to what you are seeing. In my experience, even getting close helps the engineering team narrow things down much faster. Now, pay attention to this one. There is a text box that says, "Tell us about the issue." This is your chance to describe exactly what happened. Be as detailed as you can, but here is a big tip. Do not include any personal or confidential information. No passwords, no account numbers, nothing like that. Just stick to what went wrong. Tell them what you were doing when it happened. Like, I was sharing my screen, and then the video froze. The more context you give, the faster they can fix it. All right, so we have our description written. Now, take a quick look over everything you have entered. Review the product area, the specific issue, and your description. Make sure it all looks accurate. This step is simple, but it saves you from having to resubmit later. Once you are happy with it, go ahead and click Send to submit the report to Cisco. That is it. Your issue report has now been submitted for review and troubleshooting. You can close that window and get back to your meeting. And that is really all there is to it. By following these steps, you are not just venting your frustration into the void. You are sending a clear, actionable report directly to the people who can actually fix it. So next time something goes wrong in a Webex meeting, you will know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.